Hi folks, good morning folks, Brother Sherry is now coming live from his residence in Monrovia. I'm moving this community a very long time. Yeah, so probably if you don't know my residence in Monrovia, I live here. I live right inside here in the Congo. Yeah, like me call it Congo. How you call it? How you call it one? You call it Cree, right? Cree. Guys, this is my Cree. Yeah, this place, upon my return from Lofa, I saw that they dig this place because, in a rainy season, time like this place used to get flooded with rain. So you see water everywhere here. You used to see water everywhere here. But shout out to my landlady, my landlady, my mother. She's my landlady. She's my mother. She loves gardening business too much. Lofa, she loves gardening. Monrovia, she loves gardening. So Lofians, everywhere, anywhere for Lofians, you will see them there, and they love their lake garden where you see their pepper, their water green. So what we have here? Ama, what we have here? Yeah. Oh, this is water green. You put fertilizer on it? Yeah. Oh, okay. And this is product green, right? Wow. So that's also product green they're going so. They have certain green, they call it Ellie. Yeah. Yeah, guys, these are the name of the product green. Ma Ellie, Pepe Dapo. So you have Ma Ellie here? They get Chichipole green? Oh. But your green here, they are all looking fresh. Guys, she's my landlady. Yeah, she's the one I've been renting from, and that's the place there since I moved here. She's Loma. Okay, last again.
Tama Yongo.
Yongo. You know me. Guys, we are all Lofians. Yeah, we are all Lofians. Live here. Yeah. So shout out to brother Topisean for his kind gesture. He really did well. He surprised me with that big gift. Very amazing. Just wait. I know I'm going to show you that gift. You're going to see that gift. The gift brother Topi sent to me. But guys, kindly congrat him. He sent me the gift. Then he turned around. He paid my way to Monrovia. I went right there on the 16th Street for this gift. Guess what this gift is like? Yeah. The gift is right inside there. Yeah, I have my gift right in my room there, and I'm going to show you guys this gift. But this is my community. I live right inside here. But the problem we face here is our current is not really stable. Yeah, the current is not really stable, and that's Baname Cree. Yeah, that's my bachelor Cree. Long time we've really been struggling here, been hustling, we've been on hustle. But shout out to you guys for supporting, for promoting Brother Sheriff, for taking Brother Sheriff from nowhere, bringing somewhere in life. I cannot just imagine. I cannot just imagine the kind of transformation in life that is taking place. Yeah, I don't just imagine. Your money, oh. No, you lost for me. Mama, Mike, come here. I lost it. Yeah, okay. Just yesterday. You know what I lost now? I in Lofa. That can be too sweet. I was in Kolaon instead of Gontan. Yeah, I spent a few times in Kolaon. Yeah. Thank you. How much, son? Yeah. But wait, I in my country. They say Lofa, they say enjoying. They say Lofa country, they say enjoying. Thank you. We were trying to cross on the branch up, eh? Yeah. Okay. Okay. If I can see the storm. the breeze try to deliver that something from her. Okay. You're chunky, you're just on the roofing here, at least the fan. And I see, right? Oh, wow. Okay. Hmm? Yeah, I finished doing the video. I will still do some. What my son? You call me? You actually call me, yeah. You actually call me. Yeah. So I come in here. I want to do something. So, technically that's how it is like. So I have my gift. Right inside here. Yeah, right here. This is my crate. So, you want to see the gift, and I'm sure you're gonna see it. Yeah, you're gonna see it right now. Right now. I mean, right now. You're gonna see that gift right now, and the gift is right in here. No, I'm so happy. So, guys, kindly appreciate our brother to be staying. Kindly appreciate him. Yes, because it's more than it's more than appreciation to me. You know, he is serving as a dad to me, as a father to me. You know, just without seeing me, just on the video, yeah, just on the stream, he was able to buy for me. And then this gift is just my need fit. I'm about to see the gift. I'm about to say the gift. So somebody will say, "Well, I already know the gift already." No, you don't know it though. You don't know it. So, you know, guys, this is my bachelor era. Yeah, this. I've been hustling here all along. I've been struggling in Monrovia. I've been living here, and here I've been paying $10. Yeah, since I moved here, I've been paying $10 in a year, paying $120. So this is my crate. We call it crate. I don't call it crate. Now my crate here. The thing inside down low. Now my crate. This is my crate. So let me mount the camera right here, and then you're gonna see the gift right now. You're gonna see everything excellent. Wow. This game is so big. So big. So now I'm going to take you to the gift, and you're going to see it. I deeply appreciate it. I appreciate it. Excellent. Guys, real footwear, real one. I told you guys, my need fit. Just look at it. Yeah, just look. Yeah, just look at it. My need fit. Hey, brother, God bless you. God bless you so much. God bless you so much. God bless you. God bless you, brother. Yeah, God bless you. Yes, my first time wearing this slipper. You know, I've been seeing it in DK. Sometimes planning to buy it, but if I look at it, sometimes I'll see the here finish. Sometimes I see it broke. You know, but wearing the original one like this, Brother Sherry wearing it, is because of Brother Topi. Brother Topi, God bless you. Only God will reward you for what he did. I don't have nothing to say to you. I don't have anything to give you. Okay? Let God bless you. And then I want to stop there. He gave me back that I will just cross like this. You know, just cross like this. Then, you know, have my phones in here, and that particular GoPro, I have it in here. Then it's secure. I wish I had this bag yesterday. Then I have my small phone inside. It's gonna be safe. Nice video. Right. Then, you know, guys, look at this. Very, very solid. Very solid. Very, very solid. American products are just original. Just original. Wow. Nice shirts. Very nice. Gray. Yes. Gray shirt. You see that? So, that's one. That's two. Okay. Yesterday I not really observing. I was so happy. So it is Versace. This is Versace. This is not Gucci. Yeah, this I'm saying is Versace. Original. So now to just show you that this brother, you know, is my knit fit. This is my knit fit. Yeah, hey, brother. God bless you, Papa. God bless you so much. God bless you, Daddy. Okay. I'm looking fine. Yeah. Come on, yeah, bye. Hey, go family. Hey, go. Thank you, Papa. Thank you. You did well. You did well in my life. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Daddy. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Daddy. Hey, God. You made me happy, you made me happy. Made me happy, you made me happy. You made my day. May God make a day for you, Daddy. May God shower you with His endless blessing. Look at that. Did not just stop there. Can you imagine doing this for me? Paying my way from Lofa to Monrovia. You know, God will pay you for what you did. Yeah. May God reward you. Thank you so much. I'm so proud of you. You know, you just made me fresh. You know, having your original materials. You know, everything just unique. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Wow. Original shirts, guys. Very original. You hardly see material like this here. Look at this back. Look at this. And then, you know, the most important thing there is that I just connect this to my GoPro. Then just, you know, just do it like this. Okay. Oh, music flow. Yes. Just connected to my GoPro there, guys. Bye family. Nice family. Thank you so much. Shout out to everyone. This is your brother Sharif. Thank you for supporting him. You guys really are doing well. Thanks to all my returning viewers for being so consistent. And I see my channel is so green. Yes, every content I upload, I see you guys coming there, watching it. You know, the returning viewers, thank you so much. Shout out to you. This is your brother Sharif. Thank you. See you in my next video. Stay in Monrovia. Going tomorrow. Tomorrow is what day? Tomorrow is Thursday. Today is Wednesday. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.